The second half of our trip took us from Leslie Gulch into an area not yet explored by our family, the Oahe Canyonlands. Our love for overlanding really took off with the start of this pandemic. With our state shut down for over a year, we've really found freedom in the simplicity of the outdoors. Normally, we like to stay away from campsites, but our daughter specifically wanted to camp in Idaho, and this campground was easiest and seemingly only spot along the river. The Oregon side looked to us to have more primitive sites. We're going to be saving those for another time. There's no doubt unplugging and bringing our children out to experience what nature has to offer has been a blessing. We've grown closer as a family, our children are finding their strengths and weaknesses, and that there is more out there to explore than our tiny corner in the Pacific Northwest. We really enjoy putting together these short videos for people to enjoy, and as we continue our adventures, our goal is to provide a more detailed glimpse into what we love about getting outside together as a family, and not just the cool drone shots. If you like what you see, please consider liking and subscribing. Leave us a comment about what you'd like to see in a future video or a question about our overland family.